Variable products are a game changer in the world of online retail, allowing you to offer a wide range of product options, customize choices, and create seamless shopping experience for your customers. Whether you're selling clothing with multiple size and color options, personalized gifts, or anything in between, mastering variable products can take your online store to the next level. So let's get started. In this video, we will guide you on how to add, duplicate, edit, and delete variants for your products with different options. First, go to the inventory, click on the products, and create a parent product that has a variation. In this case, I already created the parent product, which is the electric kettle. And then I filled out necessary information like the product name and descriptions. Also, I have uploaded the images to be used later in setting up variants. To add variants, click on Add Variation here on the bottom of the product page. Enter the option name, for example, product capacity, and color. For option value here, let's say 1.8 liters, 2.3 liters, the color option might be pink and white. And remember, option values are separated by commas. Click Apply Changes to see the list of variants at the bottom of the page, and click Save. You can customize each variant's price, SKU, and barcode, as well as you can set the quantity to order here. To save time when adding similar variants, you can duplicate existing ones. In the Variants table, select the variants you want to duplicate, click on Actions at the top right corner of the Variants table, choose the option you want to duplicate, for example, capacity and color. Click Save and Close to add new variants with the chosen option values. To edit variants, go to the Variants table and click on the variant's name you want to change. Click Inventory for advanced settings. You can also adjust in-stock levels, the buffer, and the alert level in different locations of the variants. Here, you can track or not track the variants. You can set the unit of measure and set to continue selling when out of stock. Click Image to set up the image you want to use for your variants. To adjust the price of the variants, just click on the price list, and here you can set the price of the variants in your chosen currency. To check the transaction history report of the variant, click on View History. Click Save and Close. Controlling the order in which customers see variants option is essential. Here's how. On the Variants table at the bottom of the product page, click on Sort Variants at the top of the table. Drag and drop option names or values to reorder. Click Save and Close to apply changes. When you want to remove a variant, scroll to the right side of the variant and click the gear-shaped icon. Select Delete Variant. Remember, this is permanent. And that's all. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to refer back to this tutorial or reach out to our support team.